Today, we will examine manufacturing and construction industries. Manufacturing refers to the turning of raw material into new products by mechanical or chemical processes at home or in the factory. Manufacturing industry is concerned with the activities of those who engage in processing and turning raw material produced in the primary industries into finished product. Examples: shoemaking, food processing, plastic processing, textile processing, etc. Construction industries. Construction industry is concerned with all the activities of those who engage in assembling of goods manufactured into usable form. Construction industries engage in activities like construction of roads, bridges, airports, furniture houses, etc. Contributions of industrial sector to economic development. Increase in the gross national products (GDP). Provision of employment opportunities. Stimulation of other sectors of the economy. Control inflation due to mass production. Infrastructural development. Diversification of the economy. Funding of education and research. Manpower development. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.